Hi. Today I am doing my own lunch around 11:30. But this is my ingredients for lunch for now, and it is roasted shredded chicken wrap. And it is easy to make, but first I have been boiled the eggs, and I'm going to crack the egg. See this white stuff? First thing you have to boil the kettle first, and put the lid on, make it all nice and bubble. And now it's gone. Now it is now all bubbles and stuff. That's why it's turned to white. So, very excellent choice for my own wrap. So, before I am, so after when you use boiling hot water, you put in cold water for 5 minutes. Make the egg nice and cool. Okay, so when you finish when the egg nice and cool, and you break the egg with with a tiny fork. This could be delicious for lunchtime. I know it's gonna be a little bit runny. It looks good. Okay, I might put it in here first because the yolk would be all messy. Okay, that's all the shells from the egg. Okay, that's everything. Make sure there's no shells. Okay, first thing to do is use a fork, like, see this already? Looks so good. Make sure it is all perfect. So first thing to do, when you finish all the egg yolks, so yummy and tasty. You use this curry powder to make curry eggs. Not too much, but I was thinking maybe a little bit. Okay. Okay. That's how you do it. Into curry eggs for the wrap. Okay. That's how you do it. So this is my wrap for the day. This is wholemeal, gluten-free wrap, and it's my healthy choice. And this cheese is different slice of the cheese. And first thing to do is put the cheese on the wrap. Okay, now you melt the cheese from the microwave. Okay, that's all done. That's everything. And put it in microwave about 40 seconds. So first, you have to wait till the seconds I'm doing. When this one's all done, so you have to wet the lettuce. That's the first thing to do for the recipe. And I was just thinking something different. So, when you wait for the microwave to finish, and there you go. Okay. See all the cheese, all the melted cheese? Yum. It's only one cheese only. So you put the lettuce on. You put it in, first you use this. Make more flavor for the egg. And now flavored chicken, like shred chicken. Only a little bit left. Okay, that's how you make it. And I use salt and pepper. I use salt now. Pepper. New style for lunch. Then yogurt. Only a little bit of yogurt. That's how you do it. Okay, when you finish everything, like finish all your recipes, you use this or oil. Okay. Brand new style for the wrap. fold it. And that's how you do it. That's how you make. Alright. And thank you for watching my recipes. Thank you.